S166 UAV operation tutorial. Product configuration. Charge the battery before flying. Connect the battery. Connect power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Align the bottom buckle of the battery with the top of the drone for installation. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. The drone must be placed on the takeoff platform before takeoff. Turn on the remote control switch again. Move the left joystick up and down to match the frequency. Calibrate the gyroscope with an external 8-drag rod. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep 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 3 times for high-speed gear. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. A manned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Enable headless mode. The drone will reverse in the direction of the remote control. Wall climbing flight display. Fly the aircraft slowly to the wall, stick to the wall, and if you are too fast, it will fall. Rise. Decline. Long press to enter land mode. Forward. Back off. Turn left. Turn right. One-click landing. Light switching. Replace the fan blades. Use tools to remove the fan blades. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B labels. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Installation of protective frame. Remove the protective ring first. Align the protective frame with the bottom buckle of the arm for installation. Install 4 protective frames in sequence. Once the installation is complete, you can start flying.